the world of solar and prepaid meter, especially right here in Africa, device and appliances consumption, which is watt consumption, is very, very important. Our experiment today is the OS Giant 60-inch blade fan and the Felicity 3 kVA inverter to know the exact consumption of the Giant ceiling fan. Now, let's move to the experiment proper. We will be starting the experiment from 0, which is the fan will be at speed 0, which is no speed at all. Now, when you watch the inverter carefully, what you will be seeing is the inverter is reading from 0 watts to 1 watt. Probably the 1 watt is the inverter consumption. Definitely, the inverter has its own consumption. So the reading here is from 0 to 1 watt. Okay, now we'll take the speed to 1. Now watch carefully. At speed 1, the fan consumption, the watts the fan is consuming, is from 28 watts to 30 watts. Okay. Moving from speed 1 to speed 2. At speed 2, the consumption of the fan rate from 35 watts to 45 watts. So when you put the fan at speed 2, so your expected consumption is from 35 watts to 45 watts, as you can see on the inverter reading. Putting the fan at speed 3, which is the middle speed of the fan, the Giant fan consumes from 52 watts to 58 watts. So that is the average speed of the fan, which is at speed 3. When you watch the reading carefully, you get from 52 watts to 58 watts accurately. We'll go straight to speed 4, which is the second last to the highest speed. Now watch carefully, every speed has its own reading. Now the speed 4, the reading is showing accurately on the inverter, which is from 72 watts to thing is dancing up or down. So what you see there is from 72 to 82 watts. So putting the fan at speed 4, you get from 72 watts to 82 watts on your inverter. So either you're using inverter or you are using a prepaid meter. So your expected consumption on speed 4 is from 72 watts to 82 watts. We are finally at the last speed of the experiment, which is at speed 5. Now at speed 5, the Giant fan consumes from 95 watts to 105 watts. So that is the expected consumption on when you put the fan at the highest speed on your inverter. So if you're using an inverter, you are expected an average of 100 watts per consumption. So in your house, if you have 4 Giant ceiling fan, when you put it at speed 5, so you expected 400 times 4 is 400 watts. So which is very, very high on your inverter. This experiment was carried out carefully and the reading was done carefully as well. Now you know every speed of the fan has its own reading, ranging from speed 1 to speed 5. So if you're adapting, speed 1 is the same reading as speed 5. With this experiment, you know speed 5 consumes more higher than speed 1 and also each of all the speed. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much.